welcome back once again, Hidden Acres Outdoors. Well, as the old saying goes, you never look a gift horse in the mouth. We were up here checking on the beehives, and we've got a swarm that's about 10 or 12 yards away from our 3 beehives. Now, I'm hoping this is not a swarm out of one of the nukes that we just installed about a month ago. We've got the medium supers ready to go on top of those. We'll put those on tomorrow, but I'm hoping we're not too late. I don't think we are, because we still got a lot of activity over around the 2 nuke hives and the overwintered hive. This is what we're looking at. Alright, there's our overwintered hive on the left, the 2 nukes on the right, and hanging in this pine tree is a small swarm. So we're going to go over here, put the coat on, the veil on, grab those suckers, put them in a nuke box, and go from there.
How the crap is he? Oh.
I missed. Well, I wasn't planning on all of them falling off when I clipped it, but you can see they're kind of starting their march, and we're just going to leave them sitting here, and they will eventually make their way into this nuke box that I borrowed from our neighbor Jason, so I'll have to replace that tomorrow and give him another one. Now these are new frames because I didn't have any frames that were already worked out with honey, and I didn't want to steal Jason's stuff. So you can see they're marching on up the side. It'd be nice to see a queen in this mess, but I don't think there's much chance of that right now. I do see a couple of drones. Hopefully I didn't shake the queen off in this mess. If you like this kind of stuff, give us a like, give us a subscribe, hit the like button. We'll see you next time from Hidden Acres Outdoors. Bye.